Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a fruit. They can help in lowering bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are cultivated most extensively in Mexico and are also grown in significant quantities in the United States, Dominican Republic, and Peru. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as avocado, avocado, ava, car, do, avocado. One unique and interesting fact about avocados is that they are technically berries, with a single large seed inside. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about avocados, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.